So how we going to record it on balance sheet? So trading security is going to be recorded on balance sheet like this. You purchased in 2014 and it increased the value in 2014, so you record it as 110,000 in 2015. There is an unrealized loss here, so you decrease the value here. On balance sheet, on 2014 you receive dividend, unrealized gain as well be recorded because this is income statement item. On 15 you record it as a loss here, and on 16 you record it as a gain here in income statement. Now our second category of the short-term investment is available for sale security. It is same as trading securities. It is recorded at the initial purchase. We record the dividend revenue as well. We adjust also the fair value. What is the difference between available for sale and trading securities? There's a very minor difference, is that unrealized gains or losses reported as other comprehensive income, OCI. Right? Because you are not involved in active trading of the trading securities, you are just keeping it for some time and selling it. So we call this available for sale securities, and we have a logic behind that one as well. So where this other comprehensive income came from, for example, you make an income statement. So we have a sales, CGS, gross profit, admin, and selling, and then we have a net income. After net income you add other comprehensive income. So the one logic or reason is that because company is not built for selling the securities and earning money. That is not company's core business, okay? Or memorandum of association. That is not company for build. Company is built for. So that's why we do not count it here. We do not add it here, the gain or unrealized gain or loss in the income statement above the net income, because this net income shows what is the business operation, right? The other philosophy behind adding net income here is that you want to find out the worth of CEO, right? If you have a loss here but you invest in very good securities and it gave you very nice return, right? And at the end you have a profit, then CEO might say that you should give me some bonuses, my salary gonna be increased because I gave the company a huge benefit, right? Profit is gonna be increased. So in order to segregate that, no, you did not do anything. It's because the market condition and the investment that you invest in the securities, and this is because of you can be a good finance manager but you cannot be a good CEO, right? This is like that. Okay, then see the accumulated net accumulated or reported as accumulated other comprehensive income in stockholders equity. Okay, let's move further. So if we continue our previous example of Apple Corporation purchasing stock of Intel, so if we categorize that security as available for sale securities, how are we gonna record it? So let's continue with that example. So we purchased the securities when it was 100,000, right? 100,000, and then on the same year we have increased 10,000. So in 2014 we recorded as this 110,000, but this 10,000 is not, it's not went to the income statement, it's went to other comprehensive statement, which is also a part of shareholder equity, right? Which is also a part of shareholder equity. And in 2015 when we have a loss, unrealized loss, right, in this case here, that also go to the other comprehensive income, and in 2016 we sell it this 107,000 US dollar. So our 7,000 in excess of our available for sale securities, so that is realized gain, right? So this sorry, so 10,000 goes to accumulated other accumulated comprehensive income, and this is the 7,000 is the realized gain on the top of this 100,000. So when you compare this available for sale securities with the trading securities, you came to know that the unrealized gain and unrealized loss accommodated in OCI, and there is no OCI here. Plus, when you sell it, right, even though you sell it at 107,000, you record the realized gain as 2,000, but here you realize on the top of the original carrying value, on original purchase price, that is 7,000, right? So that is a limited difference here. So let's move forward.